From a simple text description to a breathtaking visual masterpiece, the world of AI image generation is evolving at a rapid pace. But what does this mean for professions that rely on visual creativity? The latest sensations in the AI world, such as SDXL 1.0 and Midjourney, are capable of turning your words into visual wonders. And we are only getting started in image generation technology. 6 months from now, the average user will be able to generate highly complex images and even video with rapidly evolving apps leveraging this tool. So what does this mean for the design industry? For decades, graphic designers, illustrators, and photographers have been the go-to experts for visual content. Their skills, honed over years of practice, are invaluable. But with AI like SDXL entering the scene, how will these professions adapt? Graphic designers craft visuals that capture attention and convey messages. With SDXL's ability to generate high-quality images from plain text, routine design tasks could be automated. But here's the catch: AI can generate, but it can't strategize. Designers can pivot by focusing on a personalized touch to clients such as strategy, branding, and understanding client needs. Upskill in areas like UX, UI design, and branding strategy to stay ahead. And learn AI generative technologies to automate your design work and free up your time for more clients. Illustrators breathe life into stories with their unique art styles. While image generators like SDXL can produce intricate visuals, it lacks the personal touch and emotion of a human artist. Illustrators can differentiate themselves by emphasizing their unique styles and storytelling abilities. Collaborate with AI to speed up base sketches or generate innovative ideas, but always add your personal flair and story. Photography is about capturing moments in time. AI can generate images, but it can't replicate the emotions of a candid moment. Photographers can leverage AI for post-processing, but the art of capturing a moment remains human. Experiment with AI for editing, but focus on storytelling, artistic angles, and the emotional connection in your captures. The rise of AI in image generation, like SDXL, is undeniable. But it's not a replacement, it's a tool. By embracing AI and integrating it into their workflow, professionals can unlock new creative potentials. The future is collaborative. As AI continues to evolve, so must we. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Together, humans and AI can create a world filled with unimaginable beauty.